Redefining luxury with excellent standards, Jazeera Palace Hotel are providers of first-class hotel facilities in accommodation, cafe, and restaurant services at affordable rates. Located 300 meters from Aden Ade International Airport, the palace is situated along the North Airport Road and 2 kilometers away from the beach. Offering an unmatched, affordable luxury, the hotel has 70 stylishly furnished rooms. The rooms are categorized in standard, deluxe rooms, deluxe suites, and presidential suites. The new hotel offers first-class hotel services including broadband wireless internet connection, 24-hour satellite television, flat-screen TV sets, room telephone, electronic safe deposit boxes, 2 restaurants, 2 fully air-conditioned large conference rooms, free airport pickup and drop-off, room service, a balcony for the best sea and land view, excellent security systems, and a health club. You can contact us today by calling the numbers on your screen or visiting our website at www.jazeerapalace.com or email us at info@jazeerapalace.com.